Hi everybody, I just did a short video on how to play the Lydian mode as it relates to the G major scale. So I'm now going to show you how to play the Mixolydian mode in the key of G. So the way you figure out what the first note is of the Mixolydian mode is you start with G and you count up 5. So what's the fifth note of the G major scale? It's D, right? So G, A, B, C, D. So D becomes the first note of the Mixolydian mode in the key of G. So now what we're going to do is we're going to play the G major scale, but instead of starting on G, we're going to start on D and go up, and we end on D. We're not going to end on G, we're going to end on D, okay? So D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C natural, D. Okay, that's the G Mixolydian. That's the accurate way of saying it. Sometimes it's referred to as a D Mixolydian, but it's really the G Mixolydian mode. If you have any questions, I'm always online. Links are below in the details, and I hope you like the video.